smashed baked potato loaded with some ribeye, onions. Oh my word. Come at me, come at me. Y'all, today we're gonna do a smashed baked potato. We are going to cook these. I'm gonna show you a little hack here. I'll show you a little hack on my baked potatoes. And then we're gonna give it all kinds of good love over on the Blackstone griddle. But first, let me show you how I like to do my baked potatoes. Now, wash these up really good if you like the skins. I love the skins. Personally, one of my most favorite. But make sure you wash them really good, get all the dirt, all that grime off of it. Now, get you some bacon fat. I use Bacon Up. If you want to use your leftover bacon fat from the griddle, go right ahead. I just use this. Now, you can bare hand this. Maybe I'm just gonna bare hand it because it'll be all right. This is what I do when I give my massages right here. I'm like, yeah. Ooh, you like that potato? Yeah, okay. Work out those knots right there. Right there. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. Take you some bacon grease. It's just good old bacon grease. Just lather that up, okay? Now, I like to do these on the smoker. I like to do them in the oven too, okay? But when you just don't have time, got to get something on the table quick, hey man, call your old buddy Mike. Y'all know Mike, right? Huh? Mike Rowave? Yep. Old Mike will hook you up and get you some potatoes lickety split, y'all. I mean lickety split, okay? Y'all follow me in to the house. We're gonna put these in the microwave and we'll come right back and I'm gonna wash my hands as well. Mike Rowave, Mike Rowave. This is Hungry Hussey headquarters here. Put it in the mic, do the baked potato. Whoop. Baked potato, we're gonna do 2. We're gonna start that. Y'all, and that's pretty much it. You wanna take you like a toothpick or something and kind of run in the potato just to make sure it's nice and soft inside. And if it isn't soft, maybe just add another minute or maybe 2, just depends. But this right here, along with the bacon grease and that salt, makes a great potato, even in the microwave. All right, let's go back out to the cooker. All right, potatoes are cooking. I actually got 2 here that I did previously. Now, if you wanna do these in the oven, same principle, 450 degrees for about 45 minutes, same thing. Take you a toothpick. I like to take my Thermopin, just kind of run in. A lot of times it registers 202 degrees, 205 degrees, you are golden. Or if it just kind of runs in, just really, really easily. Okay, so part of this, whatever, smashed, stuffed, loaded baked potatoes, and I thought some onions, some caramelized onions would just really work. And so here we are. We're gonna do some onions. Just cut those. You wanna omit this is fine, but I thought, man, sure would be good. All right, we're gonna get these onions down and they need a little bit of time and we're gonna get our onions down. Caramelized onions, take a little bit of time, so we wanna make sure they get ample amount of attention on that griddle. A little bit of salt. That salt helps bring out the moisture of the onions, so it makes it all good. We're gonna let these cook for, I don't know, a couple minutes till they get nice and sweated down. I thought, we need a little bit of cheese. Need a little cheese. Colby Jack, I really like the way it melts. You can use whatever you like. You can use a cheddar, you can use a double cheddar. You can use a Gruyere, if you're the, oh geez Louise. If you're an Anderson's, probably something a little more bougie. Probably a nice goat cheese. Steak, I like a nice little thin cut ribeye. Seasoning, y'all know what's up. A little bit of this heifer dust. Ask for by name. Head on down into the description and get your own, okay? Go over here, look at these onions, little onions. How y'all doing, onions? I tell y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little hack with these onions. I'm gonna do a little hack, but I forgot what I need. Where you at? This right here really levels up your onion game. This right here is just a little balsamic vinegar. Adds a little sweetness, adds a little tang, and it caramelizes onions quickly. In the middle, we're gonna cut our burners on high. We want it hot because we're gonna cook our steaks. We're gonna give that maybe a minute. It needs to come up to temperature just a little bit more. Don't see that white wisp of smoke coming off like I quite like for a nice sear. So 1 or 2 more minutes, we're gonna put our steaks down. All right, as you can see now, look at how that's coming off. That's exactly what you want to get a nice sear on a steak. Get those right onto the griddle. Don't forget this other side. A little bit of heifer dust. All right, after about a minute or so, we're gonna flip our steaks. Ooh, yeah. There we go. For the onions, every once in a while, just stir them up, folks. And then right when it gets to about where you like it, which this is where mine is, I like a little bit of crunch, a little bit of substance. I like to add a nice little pat of butter. All right, these steaks, they're kind of thin, as you can see. We don't want to cook them too much longer. Just gonna go maybe another 30 seconds on this other side that we started out with. And we're gonna pull those. And we're pretty much ready. We've got some other things up our sleeves. Y'all don't want to go anywhere. It's gonna be some good groceries. Our griddle, put the temperature down. We don't really need it too hot. Well, we want it hot, not real hot though. All right. We're gonna put down some bacon grease. This is for our potatoes. So we're gonna cook these taters in the bacon grease, all right? So I'm gonna slice these right here, just like that. I'm gonna take my 2 fingers like this right here and just whoop, just like that. Just kind of break it open, all right? You do this other one. Take your 2 fingers and just see how you push that right there? Look at that. Ooh, my wife loves it when I do that. All right, now, take it over to the griddle. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna take this other one, put it right there. Let's take our smasher and it's gonna smash that sucker. That one could have been, oh, that's good. That's actually really good. There we go. We're not looking to go real thin here, but we want kind of thin. Man, woohoo, boy, look at those things. We're gonna give those a minute, let them get crispy on that cut side, you know, where we cut it. Man, well, I can't wait to see that. Ooh, here's a little piece right here, come here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's see what this looks like, y'all. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, boy. Let's look at this one. I like that one too, come on. Well, shoot, y'all. I say, let's build these suckers. Let's build these up. So you're wondering, how you gonna do it, Hussey? We're gonna do it up right. I'm gonna take a big old hunk of butter. Please don't go to your cardiologist after this, y'all, and tell them that you watch my videos, because that jackleg, he'll blame me. All right, got the butter. Ample amounts of cheese. Oh, geez Louise. We gotta get, get some steak on there. Let's cut up this steak right quick. I'm gonna put these into chunks, just so it's a little bit easier to eat. I'm gonna put some of these onions on there. A little bit of onions on there, just like that. A little bit of onions on you. Come here. Come here. Just like that. Got some more here. Oh, boys. Golly. This is looking so good. Let's do a little sour cream before we put the steak. I honestly feel like we need more butter. Like, I don't really see much. Last but not least, we're going to put some of our steak right on there. Finishing off with some more cheese. Let's put a dome on this. Maybe melt that cheese some. Let's melt that cheese. There we go. Let's give that about 30 seconds. Woo, boy, look at those bad boys right there. Dang it, boy. Woo, let's get these things off on this plate. This is a big one right here. Golly. Ooh, I don't know. Man, I bet you that thing weighs 2 pounds. Woo-hoo. I'm just gonna let that one sit right there. Look at this thing right here now. Dang. Wish I had some green onions. I forgot to get green onions. Woo. Let's give it a try. I've been waiting for this. I love a tater. I want to get a little bit of everything. Oh, look at that bite right there. Son. Cheers. Huh. That, my friends, is how you make the best potato ever. There's so much going on. The onions are nice, sweet, caramelized. Cheese, the butter, the steak seasoned nicely, that heifer dust. You're just gonna have to sit here and watch me eat this whole potato. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all, this is great. You should give us a try. I guarantee your people will love it. That's just all it is.